Hello there, Taylor with the Multi-Emperor Report. Today is going to be all about the Eastern Pacific and Atlantic, including a future tropical storm and a current tropical depression. Pero primero hablo en español un poco. Aquí hay una depresión tropical 12E, sí. Y esta depresión es la futura Tormenta Tropical Lorena, así es la verdad. Y esta depresión está produciendo lluvias y vientos y son, ¿qué son? Y hay una vigilancia de tormenta tropical está en efecto en el momento para estas zonas por aquí, sí. Y los peligros afectando tierras son lluvias y vientos, sí, es la verdad. Y se espera que esta depresión convertirse en un tormenta tropical muy pronto, sí. Durante esta tarde, según el SMN, sí. Y en el Atlántico hay una depresión tropical Gabrielle, ha sido degradada a depresión, sí. Y todos los servicios y vigilancias han sido descontinuados o algo así en el momento. Pero tiene peligros afectando tierra todavía. Los peligros afectando tierra son lluvias y vientos. Y es la verdad. Y esta es Gabrielle, depresión tropical Gabrielle en el momento. Y en el Atlántico hay 3 zonas de probabilidad también. Por aquí hay una de 50% y por aquí hay 20% y por aquí hay 10% en el momento. Sí, es la verdad. Y es todo en español para hoy. Yeah, so out here in the Eastern Pacific, we've got what is currently a tropical depression 12E, that is predicted to become Tropical Storm Lorena quite soon. And if you've got the satellite layer, you can see outer bands definitely impacting Mexico and, of course, the trajectoria predicted to go across right to Baja California. If you go to the storm track page, you can see this satellite loop, and you can see there's a tropical storm watch in effect for this area at the moment. And the land hazards with this one are rainfall, unsurprisingly, and winds, of course. And there it is. There is some satellite loops of the future Tropical Storm Lorena. Over in the Atlantic, we've got what was Tropical Storm Gabrielle, who has weakened, that's the word, has weakened, and apparently the advisories and watches that were in effect, all of them apparently have been discontinued as per this thing that's in Spanish, yes. But there is, of course, still land hazards with this one, and that would be rains and some gusty winds, of course, are possible today. So rainfall is always quite a concern. And in fact, a lot of times the weaker the storm is, the bigger the concern of, heavy rain is. Because as it dissipates, and not dissipates, but as it starts to weaken over land, it starts to drop all of the rain that was once up in the sky. So yes, definitely still land hazards on that one. And of course, we've also got these 3 areas of probability, the highest one being this one over here that appears to be booking for the coast of Mexico. 50% on this one at the moment. This one is a 20% chance, and this one back here at the moment is a 10%. But of course, since it's far enough out, who knows what could happen with that one. So yes, that is what is happening in the land of tropical cyclones. Yes, now time for this. Whatever this is, we are taking a look at charts for the United States and the severe weather today. Yes, it is virtual. I do not know what is going on. So let's talk about the watch that's in effect at the moment. Severe thunderstorm watch for Idaho, Nevada, Oregon, and Washington till 8 p.m. Pacific time this evening. And here is where basically the big threat area is today, or at least where the outlook shows it being. So this is the map showing the probability of 58 mile per hour greater winds. So quite a lot of the Pacific Northwest covered by this 15%, and then of course it's 5% over here. Similar-ish, almost identical. This changes just a smidge. But this is the hail map showing the probability of 1 inch or larger hail. So basically the same exact map as the wind map today. Tornado-wise, again, where the conditions are not favorable. Doesn't mean you couldn't have one, but the conditions are not likely for a tornado to occur. Tomorrow, 15% chance on this one again. And yes, moves eastward with the threat area. So something to pay attention to if you're over in this area today or tomorrow if you happen to live there or you're visiting or whatever's happening. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of Screencast thing. Yes, and it tiene linkies. I don't know what is going on. Too many accents and languages all at once. Yeah, yes. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the Screencast, so go there or don't, whatever happens. Whatever may occur, yes. And that is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there.